put a cork in it. Okay. Wow, that is quite a machine. All right. So now you're gonna put a cork in
I'm
it.
gonna put a cork in it.
All right. Ready?
Oh, you want to see the machine in action here?
Yeah.
Okay. So the cork drops into that little
Slot.
slot, and
Yeah.
you need to get it as centered as possible and put the plunger on it.
It's like
And
coring
then-
an apple, except in reverse.
And then all at once,
Oh
bam.
Whoa.
my gosh! Look, it's corked.
Put a cork in it.
Oh my goodness, what is wrong with us? We haven't even drunk any of the stuff yet.
All
Okay.
just had a really long day or long year.
If
or
only we
something.
had some bird paint, we could put a bird on it too.
Oh my gosh. Thank you for saying that.
Oh, no.
That has apparently become my joke the past week.
Okay.
I'm afraid you're going to break the bottle when you do that. Holy cow. Look, there's a second cork. We're going to drink that part.
Bada bing bang boom.
Yay.